Hi guys, last day of our genocide topic. You made it. All right, by the end of the day, you should be able to answer this essential question: why does genocide keep happening? We're going to kind of take a step back, and instead of looking at one particular genocide, we're just going to look at genocide overall and the causes of genocide. First, make sure you complete your attendance form, and you might want to have your genocide notes handy. We are skipping two different genocides just for the sake of time, but the four columns that you've already filled out should be enough information for the end of the term exam. Today, you're going to go ahead and add at the very end of your genocide notes, whether it's on the Google Doc or if you wrote it down on a sheet of paper, either way, and then you'll be able to use this as a graphic organizer on your end of the term exam. All right. So today you're going to choose a speaker from this Here's Why Genocide Keeps Happening article. When you open it up, it looks something like this. This very first page is an introduction, and then each of the following pages, they feature one expert speaker on each page. So this page comes from an actual survivor of the Rwandan genocide. Here's another expert, one page about him and why genocide keeps happening according to his studies. This lady is from Minnesota, so that's kind of a fun one. And her thesis on why genocide keeps happening, so on and so forth. So instead of reading all 7 pages, you're just going to read one page. Okay, so let's say that I do decide to read the lady from Minnesota, Ellen Kennedy. On your notes, what you're going to do is make a little section, causes of genocide, and write according to whoever you choose, for example, Ellen Kennedy, these are the causes of genocide. You're going to read your chosen speaker's one page on why genocide keeps happening, and then just write them down in your notes. By the end, you should have some nice completed notes that you can use on your end of the term exam. All right, and then you may have noticed that there is an end of the term note for you posted on Google Classroom. You are the only one who can access this note, so don't feel like everyone can see. But just a quick explanation about that. Every single year of my teaching career, I have written end of the year notes to each of my students. Since this was my first year of high school, I was like, high school students aren't interested in that kind of stuff. But it just felt right to do because we're not going to be like physically together for our last day of class. So I went through and I wrote each and every one of my students a personalized note. So not a single note, looks the same, and posted it on Google Classroom for you guys. And remember, you're the only one who has access to that note. Okay, and just a reminder about the test. The test will be given on Monday the 25th. You don't have to submit it until Thursday the 28th. So if you need to complete any graphic organizers or get any other work done, feel free to work on that. As long as it's turned in by the 28th, it'll be counted and graded. And remember that all missing work in my class can be turned in for full points until the end of the term, which is again Thursday the 28th. If you have any questions or if you want me to check over anything on your graphic organizers, you can email me, call or text that Google Voice phone number, or show up to open office hours from 1:30 to 3. See you later.